Infrastructure is the backbone of every modern society. From roads and railways to bridges, tunnels, and skyscrapers, these structures don't just shape skylines, they shape economies, connect people, and define how nations grow. In 2025, the global construction and infrastructure industry is undergoing one of the biggest transformations in its history, driven by technology, climate concerns, and the urgent need for sustainable development. Around the world, countries are investing heavily in massive infrastructure upgrades. The United States has launched its $1.2 trillion Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, aiming to modernize transportation, broadband internet, and water systems across all 50 states. In Asia, China's Belt and Road Initiative continues to reshape trade routes with high-speed railways, ports, and power plants stretching across continents. Meanwhile, the European Union's Green Infrastructure Plan is focusing on low-carbon construction and smart cities that integrate renewable energy, digital systems, and efficient public transport. But what truly makes this era of construction revolutionary is the integration of advanced technology. 3D printing is now being used to build homes, schools, and even bridges, reducing both cost and construction time dramatically. Drones are replacing human surveyors, capturing data across vast job sites in real time. AI and building information modeling, BIM, are optimizing design processes, predicting failures before they happen, and cutting down waste by making every stage, from planning to execution, more precise and data-driven. Sustainability is also no longer optional. It's a requirement. Green buildings constructed with recycled or carbon-neutral materials are becoming the new norm. Vertical forests, solar facades, and climate-resilient infrastructure are being integrated into the blueprints of the world's most forward-thinking cities. Even concrete, one of the world's most widely used materials, is being reinvented. Companies are now developing carbon-negative concrete that captures more CO2 than it emits. Labor shortages and rising material costs are still challenges, but automation is slowly filling the gap. Robotics are laying bricks, pouring concrete, and assembling steel frames with unmatched precision. In some parts of the world, entire housing units are built in factories using modular construction, then transported and assembled on-site, cutting traditional timelines in half. The infrastructure boom isn't just about building new things, it's about reimagining old ones. Aging highways, pipelines, and rail systems are being rebuilt with sensors and smart systems that monitor performance, alert for damage, and reduce maintenance costs. Cities are being equipped with smart grids, real-time traffic controls, and flood-resistant designs to better withstand extreme weather events caused by climate change. In the end, infrastructure is no longer just concrete and steel. It's becoming intelligent, efficient, and sustainable. The decisions we make today about how and where we build will determine how we live tomorrow. And as the world's population grows and urbanizes, one thing is clear: the future will be built, not by chance, but by choice. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. There's a lot more coming your way on how innovation is reshaping our world, brick by brick.